So, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use presets in VideoStitch Studio and why you would want to use them. To do that, we go to the Calibration tab. We have already imported our files. Those files are from my GoPro Fusion. Set Calibration. We do not need to synchronize, as this is a 360 camera and it's synchronized internally. So yeah, that should be what you're able to see now. This is probably set to auto. You'll see that those two values here will vanish. We do not need to adjust them when using a preset, so that's one advantage. We only have to adjust the input scope, or you can use manual frames if you want to choose frames for the calibration, if you want to use some good frames set by yourself. But in our case we keep this on automatic and we only adjust the inputs crop. So that looks good to me. Yeah, guess that should work. And then we hit calibrate. It asks us, or it warns us that our videos might not be synchronized, but we know they are, so we just hit yes. And what it's doing now, it's looking for frames to scan, to look for control points. We need to wait a few moments there. Should not take too long. So that's another advantage of using a preset or a preset rig. It won't take as long because VideoStitch roughly knows where the cameras are, especially if you're using a camera with more than 2 lenses. So yeah, that's our stitch. It looks pretty good to me. You can see there's a difference in color, but you can fix that with color correction. For now I just want to show you the presets, and as you can see this works pretty well, and all you had to do was adjust the inputs crop, so nothing manually. Let me tell you the third advantage of using a preset. As VideoStitch already roughly knows where the cameras are pointing, it greatly helps get VideoStitch control points. So I tested this quite a lot, and I had some panoramas where there simply were not enough control points in the scene, or just not enough that VideoStitch recognized them. So I had to use PT GUI templates. But with a preset, I was able to stitch quite a few of them just in VideoStitch Studio, so no heading to PT GUI or any other software, just doing it internally. Yeah, well, that's it for this tutorial. If you don't see presets yet, this might be because they are not implemented on the official build as of now. They will be implemented in a future build, so it should be there pretty soon. I'm using a custom version of VideoStitch Studio to test things like presets. Yeah, well, that's it. If you have any questions about VideoStitch Studio at all, just let me know in the comments, and yeah, thanks for watching.